Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's time for us to jump back on the Eleanor project. Our last video, we went off-road in an armor ditch, which was fun. Go check that out if you want. We did the biggest part of the floor on the passenger side. We got to do the floor to firewall patch. We got to get that piece in there. We got to put the seat riser in. We might also have to repair back here. Damn! But that's what that piece is for. So I gotta cut that out next. So I noticed with the other floor piece, some of these body lines that they put into this part, some of it matches up with the factory floor and some of it doesn't. I don't know if it's me or if it's these aftermarket parts, but like I had to cut up some of this front floor and then back over here, it fit, but I noticed some of the body lines didn't match. But it's gonna be under carpet anyway, so we'll just weld it in, seal it up, put some carpet on it, and call her good. Hey, that actually ain't bad.
Actually, that one's really good. Shit, I may use that.
All right, we got that front pan welded in. I'm gonna grind some of these welds down, and then the next step would be to fit this seat riser, like on the other side. I just found some screws I forgot to take out. I'll fix that too. But the seat riser is kind of next, but we gotta get it to fit first. We got to... Does anybody feel weird talking to themselves with these on?
Have you seen my bed spot?
We're gonna get the seat pan fitted, and it doesn't really fit right, much like every panel. I found that using a screwdriver helps line up these bottom holes to the top through holes, because the handle fits this bottom hole pretty good. So when I get it all through, I can get the handle in the bottom hole and see in placement where this top is. I can get them so I can see that it's nice and perpendicular, so I know that it's lined up. I got an idea. Yeah, this is it. So I think we've got some frozen pipes.
Duh.
Because we live in Maine and it's like 20 degrees out right now. But we're gonna try the old-fashioned way. What the? If you guys like the sweatshirt, it's available at our merch store, along with some hats and some other designs. We've got one for the 5-ton, the Pontiac, Camaro. We'll be making all kinds of new designs. I'll drop the link in the description below. Don't forget to use the promo code earlsgonewild for 5% off. A dude that has these drills as a machinist. Everything's dying. So drilling the holes so we can plug weld them like the factory parts are spot welded in. So this curve needs to be tighter, but this flange won't let it bend that way. So if we stretch the material right here, it'll let this curve become tighter. We'll put it in a stretcher. And this curve can get tighter. See how it fits. Now that we made that bend tighter, this should fit in a lot better. Oh yeah, much better.
Nice.
This other corner we'll take care of once we start the fastback part. All of this wheel well and the whole top gets all replaced. So we've got the floor and all the pieces repaired, replaced. So we're 2% into this project. Next we'll be repairing the outer part of the A-pillar so we can get the doors hung.
So don't forget, like, subscribe, and check out the merch store.
Thanks for watching. So we've got the whole floor replaced. It's a combination of replaced and repaired. It's replaced.
Try that again. Replaced.